So here we have a fish in a pond of refractive index 4 by 3. So mu is equal to 4 by 3 at a depth of this is a fish at a depth h is equal to 2 meter. Find the area of the hole through which it can see the world. So let us draw the light ray, the extreme light ray there, and this will be that 90 degree. So this angle is theta. So you know mu sine theta is equal to 1 into sine 90. So sine theta is equal to 3 by 4, and here you get a radius, a hole of radius r. Here you get a hole of radius r, so that r is equal to h times tan theta. R is equal to h times tan theta. So the radius of the hole is h, means 2 times tan theta. So tan theta, if the sine theta is 3 by 4 divided by cos theta, 1 minus 3 square by 4 square, that is 2 into 3 by root over of 7. So that is 6 by root 7. So the radius is 6 by root 7. So the area, so you need the area of the hole. So area is pi r square. So that is pi means 22 by 7 into 36 by 7. So this much meter square.